Good afternoon, Geneva. Congratulations to our Eagles JV tennis team. They've started their season with a convincing wins over CVCA on Monday and Menor on Tuesday. Wins were recorded by Luke Simmons, Wyatt Jones, John Cybulski, Sophia Ellick, Mayank Yadov, Palmer Dodd, Boston Parrish, Ethan Shank, and Yuska Dala Muratov. Go Eagles! The varsity softball team defeated the visiting St. John Heralds last night 17-7. Hayden Siegel picked up the win from the mound, only allowing 4 hits, 2 earned runs with 4 strikeouts in 5 innings. Cora Brace led the Lady Eagles from the plate, going 3 for 3 with a double and a home run. Savannah Burton went 4 for 4 from the plate with 3 stolen bases and 2 RBIs. Kaylin Surgeon was also perfect from the plate, adding 3 hits. Claire Cafaro, Addie Shepard, and Siegel all added a double. The Lady Eagles take on Wycliffe Thursday at home.
Hey, did they tell you who's coming to town? Are you ready for tricks, hooks, and alley-oops with the world-famous Harlem Wizards? I'm talking about soaring and roaring, spinning and grinning. A global entertainment basketball phenomenon. From New York City to your school. Get ready, clap the confetti. Basketball like you've never seen before. Dancing, comedy, prizes, and endless excitement. From the stands, or even on the court. So, wait, where's you going with your teacher? Did he just dunk on your principal? Put the fun back in fundraising with action-packed entertainment for the whole community. Hey parents, we're talking to you too. Don't miss the party and a chance to meet all your favorite Harlem Wizards. Tickets on sale now. Visit HarlemWizards.com for details.
The Geneva Academic Booster Club needs your help to acknowledge the excellence of Geneva High School educators with the 2025 GHS Teacher of the Year Award. Nominations are open to all students, teachers, and staff at Geneva High School. You're allowed to vote only once but can nominate up to 2 teachers. Nomination forms are in the office or you can vote on Google Classroom. Nominations are due on Monday, April 14th. On Thursday, April 3rd, Foro Club is hosting a prom extravaganza where you can pick out dresses and suits free of charge. Ties, suspenders, dress shirts, and shoes will also be available. Come to the GHS cafeteria on Thursday from 2:30 to 3:30 to pick out your outfit.
Attention seniors, you have 1 month to pay your senior fee at the $20 rate before it goes up to $30 on May 2nd. Stop in or email Mrs. Mark John if you have any questions. Attention all girls in grades 9 through 11. There will be an informational meeting tomorrow, April 2nd, directly after school for those interested in participating in girls golf this fall. See Coach Anchor for more information.
Attention students, volunteers are needed to help out with the Red Bow 5K run from 8 a.m. to noon on Saturday at GPS. Please see Mrs. Hurst in the guidance office to sign up. Attention seniors, you are fortunate to live in a generous community that is extremely supportive of Geneva High School students. Approximately $50,000 is awarded annually to seniors in the form of scholarships. Please take some time to complete the scholarship application request form that was emailed to you and submit it by Friday.
Attention juniors and seniors, Hocking Hills College will be here on Monday, April 14th. If you're interested in hearing more about this school, sign up on the Google form that was sent to you. Have a great day, Geneva.
Yo, Regal, you know the video planning sheets are due at the end of class, right? Yeah, what do I do? Okay, Mr. Essay, prepare to be written. I'm doing it! Yeah! And some of these, and some almost there, and done. Now let's see how it looks so far.